say party and pan away.
Then I may say sweet. As somewhere assembling. As me say, what better me will bear my dame. See a hag. And I know my circumstance, and when I'll be able to train will be some say, oh, sugar, nipper way or your wine. Now your introduction, now be a once who the womb. My Beffy, me more who say, like, nipper no say, ni say, oh, nya soon see me. And I'll both will take you decision. I just said, our real promise ring and now was semi not just our any be warreno, and no, they are swam a con. And I then, and I me, or buy a be warrow, or buy a warrow, you say, and or buy a say, just say. Oh, that be sweet, me there, me my bro. My bread, me in Canada, my bread, because Sassamaba. Now, yasu, now won't see, now who woman now my young car, someone saw via someone said it, and was here solving. My bread, the person you be on ye.
I don't know what misunderstanding you or other than say. We are here.
Only misunderstanding. Sweet. I'm misunderstanding, Papa Ben. Huh?
I don't get it.
Meaning any problem be out.
Because we're not
meaning any problem be out. I mean, what you know, watch me, Suban, come, me, say, come, Jamus through. I'll be worrying at them, na some banana bufuga crab. Big grab a pog, my mamma won't be say.
And they say you have a phone now, banana. She said, she understand him. Because if you were in his shoes, maybe you do the same. You still comments have the catch him so no pay me, who be an or no catch him so pay me. Hey, boy. And yet, oh, Bam, I said, no, where me painting.
Hello, ladies. Hello.
Hi.
Good afternoon. I'm from Chumont to say. Wow. Like seriously? Not bad too.
Thank you.
By the way, what your friend say?
From Ella.
What?
Ella. Emanuela.
Oh, nice. Ella baby. Good looking, pretty, charming, attractive, gorgeous.
Thank you.
It is what it is. Hey.
Well,
I'm there, by the way, I'm also Prince. But they call me arrested. AKA try. AKA be a fan of respect, but don't dance a coward. AKA is so plenty. You feel like, you know, I have a lot of names.
wow.
Yeah, be a fan of respect, but don't dance a, you know. Babe, are you guys in a hurry?
yes, please.
More Connie saying. Wow. Where the and you can certain team be before God the man you are.
Thank you.
I want you to be my friend. Like if I say friend, know what you think. You understand? The person like we am a girl. You are fly girl. You feel it. So Mr. friends so what I say like Mr. Kudam for a while. Sebio me na who me say you might think say like I'm nobody, but like you know I have people who have it like that can make me feel okay, make you also feel okay. You understand?
Thing. Because I have a phone, so I can't send you.
I will do the same thing. They say, I bet to a mammy and only bear my them. Ya hagging tea. Bearman of a family what Madame for any, but before me what Madame for any man. I say, or buy and on them, me naked that boy.
But you know what? Just calm down. Talk to him. Man, I come on, bravo. Because you should share cry. Who I said you.
And then oh, run on drum me, Mona, maybe I may mess some margin. I'll come in, the woman I'll come in some. And yet, you're no dream. But as I no penny said you are dreaming or Bethany said, or person Canada, girlfriend.
No, Mama,
I'm getting tired of all this thing.
Calm down. Mama, come on,
Eddie. I say, and I worry a promise, Kaka. Now, promise ring. Obi to miss a promise ring bear 30 years, and I am worrying. How about that? Maybe you can't watch any baby. Sanu something or day and horse and what was promise ring? Eh, or for buy a bewaro, Kaka come bewaro, and man them, again join them, and for uncle seeing them. What's that? Oh,
let's go for lunch.
So it's made them lose their appetite in Canada.
Sure? Club
sandwich. I'm in, okay.
So like if you don't mind, take my ticket for me to see like you know you are serious. I'm not going to take your contact. Oh, Jimmy dear brother. Okay. Yeah. But your bad man is fortunate me now. Also, if I was saying, come on, don't be upset. What's your name, baby?
I'm not sure. I know.
What? Beatrice. Oh, you know my body is we too now. Yeah, from Akuna, from Akuna, Kawana, you be over. Yes, no. 0546.
Okay.
Oh, don't worry, come on.
0546.
Yeah, 29, 69, 19. Yeah, Prince. Wow. My patcho, what's the area baby Anna? Oh, nice. Me are coming come and commit me demotion and come in my call if you don't mind. Oh, yes. Wow. But it was nice meeting you. Imanola, right?
Yes.
And Beatrice.
Yes.
Beatrice, still look at cray. Where's an incident when I see yes, all right, babe. Me patcho friend me. And answer ping him on WhatsApp, okay? For me to get your number. God of mercy. Inshallah. Katra. Bapa na so by Radinya me. Eminamini coffee. Hey. My dear, I'm going to give you a call, okay? All right. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting
Beatrice. Mama boy, what's it? Mama papa.
Sister.
Yeah, hello.
I know say it's easy, man, but take it cool. It's part of life. Hey, now, I get to me, sir. Calm down, baby. We just say BBN, apart from that.
BBN.
Hey, sister, what shocked me?
Hey.
Now they said I was here, but I thought, say, the BBN me crying, touch your skin.
You wait me, but you're not boss running as us. You wait me. Hello.
See me, who the men can't show me. Hey, everything will be okay.
Everything will be okay, bro. Nikasa. Still, I'm here okay. Still, I'm here okay.
Crying, shit. I see me show me crying.
I'm crying, shit, dear. My Abraham, not the boy no more. My Abraham, not my Kenny. Quack Jones are why.
And I need to be an auntie and fast to order.
They can't go to the bit.
Ah, there be and do that to that extent.
Hey.
Hi. Oh, God.
Yes, the door is not locked. The door is not locked. Who's there? Who is it? Sugar. What? Hello? I'm not doing work on one swear. Mijina in chronic school anymore. Me offer back Kubina and come over family. But it's so many point. Matter. What we can? What the movie on my friend? Bye.
Now, I'm point crying. What right inside that check yourself?
Okay. Mechanic bro.
I'll go.
Because they really buy send me about a wife to be in 10 years. More train about searching is straight. Then to be as water. To be as and for say you're doing one in yet. Wadi, Odo Wadi. Opa Wadi. I feel dear women and maybe I could be a Benin or Pacha water. She is very, very sorry now. The nation says, how do you see you being too very pretty yourself? What's the why?
I can see. So the Debbie can I send me no edit can a day, and they try and we are day, and then they can. And as I found some can just happens for a day, my phone call. Super, you for let everything go. Let bygones be bygones, bro. I can see. Would him say we will be our bare minute, not the too many. Something they may accompany be. I was ready. They are chopper and I'm ready as well. The ACB no my uncle.
Yes, you can take the leave, yeah. So, I'm coming in, you can go.
Are you cool?
Yeah, you can take the leave.
Sugar. Come.
Sugar, Mr. Bejan, I don't know why I'm more saying. Eh, but now I did one idea. You be any why?
The Renka.
Why?
The Renka. So, Sugar, we're taking the leave, okay?
I love your dress.
Thank you.
You're looking so beautiful. I'm just glad we just came back.
I mean, you worry for nothing. Yes. I love you and that's what matters, you understand?
You always tell me you do love surprises. So, when I surprise you today, you're gonna be happy?
Why not? Yeah.
I love your lips. I love your eyes.
Stop this.
I love your nose. I love your smile.
Stop it. Your hair, you need some trims.
Yeah. Wow, such a beautiful body.
Okay, see, what's wrong with you? Are you okay?
Give me a minute.
Okay.
Surprise. I guess you'll be happy seeing them, yeah. Are you not happy just to see you with your so-called best friend? I guess you're happy seeing them, right?
Don't from this one too.
Mention my name. The question is, Are you not happy just to see these pictures?
Because these are my old pictures.
Don't dare! I was here thinking about myself. I thought I have already settled with a beautiful girl. But hey, somebody just knocked the door. Just threw these pictures here just to prove me there was something going on. But I've asked this girl
there is nothing going on.
Don't you dare talk when I'm talking. Kissing, have a wonderful time on the bed. When was the last time we took a picture? When was the last time? But hey, always babes, he's my best friend, he's blah 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 blah. One day, definitely, the same way you're gonna deny me. Sugar, come on, get out from my side now.
Kwesi.
Don't accuse me.
Please.
When you place me, I swear I'm going to hit you. Get out from my side.
Please.
I said get out from my side. Get out from my side. Get out. Get out. Get out from my side. Get out from my side.